Hello and welcome to another video. My name is Abuga. In today's video, I'll be covering these iPhone cases from Oraimo. If you're an iPhone owner, you know it's very challenging finding quality iPhone cases for a good price here in Kenya. So before I do that, these are very good cases by the way. So even before I get into them, I can just tell you can just go to my description and pin comment and buy them right away, even without watching the video. They're really good. And also if you use the discount code here or that link that is in the description, you'll get a 5% discount on each of these. You can buy both or two. They're different cases, so you'll just dig into them and see what they have to offer. So they're available for iPhone 12 all through to 15 Pro Max. So if your iPhone is outside that bracket, maybe you can maybe this video is not for you, but these are available for 12 to 15 Pro Max. So I'll just open them. So we'll start with let me start with this one. Yeah, so this is how it looks. It's for the 15 Pro Max, as I said. So when you're checking out on the Oraimo website, make sure you select the right model of your phone. You'll get the same exact case, but tailored to fit your exact iPhone. So you can see this for the Pro Max. This is just packaging. I'll set it aside. So this is how it looks. Let's start with this cover. I think it's available in more than this color. It's a gradient, a rainbow gradient, but it's so subtle it looks quite nice. So these lights are not doing me justice. And for the buttons, they are separate from the case. They're not they're separate from the case, meaning these won't be weak points, meaning you can use this for quite a while. It's also quite sturdy. Here there's a protection to protect the camera bump, so even if you drop it this way, the cameras won't be that exposed. And here there's something here, there's a provision for MagSafe charging, so that you can connect your MagSafe accessories safely and accurately. So I'll just set that aside and go to the other case. This one comes with the kickstand. So this in black, there's a purple version if you prefer purple. So and for the black one, yeah, so this is what I was telling you about, and it still supports MagSafe accessories. Yeah, you can still hook any MagSafe accessory there, and you can use this to maybe stand it this way and also use it this way in case you want to use your phone that way. So it's just basically the same thing, same material, same quality, but just slightly different designs. Also there are no weak points at the button areas, so you can be sure you can use this for quite a while, and it feels quite premium. And yeah, they're worth the price. They come in at 1300 shillings on the Remo website. I leave links in the description, and if you use my link and the discount code which I've shown up here, you'll get a 5% discount on this. So if you have an iPhone 12, 13, 14, 15, you can just visit oremo.com and get one of these. They also have screen protectors, which will cost you about 800 shillings for a pair of screen protectors. And the good thing about them, they come with something to help you fit them perfectly, so you don't have to go to somebody who specializes in that. You can do it yourself. It gives you all the tools in the box. Those are two screen protectors for 800 shillings. For the cases, 1300 shillings. For less than 2000 shillings, if you use my discount code, you get full protection for your iPhone. That is 12 through to 15.